Okay, hello guys. This is ESSAOUIRA beach. The ESSAOUIRA beach. It's a beautiful beach. Very wide, very nice boardwalk. In the evenings they have a lot of stands here that sell food and drinks and different type of stuff. Mostly peanuts and drinks. And you have the people sending pictures. But you have here chairs with shade and you can sit and chill out and enjoy. Today is a nice day. It's only about 10:30 in the morning, so it's going to get hotter and nicer. This is the Atlantic Ocean, so I believe the water is very cold. And more importantly, this water has sharks. And we know it has sharks because we've seen sharks in the fisherman port. So if they fish sharks, there are sharks. But put that aside, yeah, I don't think they have jaws here. As you can see, quite a lot of people are enjoying the beach, and it's still early, so probably they're going to come a bit later. There are a few hotels here, but not as much as you would think for the coast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, maybe that part over there, far away, they have more hotels, but here next to the port, not that many. No,
not that many. Which actually makes it nice. It makes it a bit more relaxed, because usually when you have hotels on beaches, they take a beach for themselves, they make it private, and you have a lot more people staying, and it's nice. And over there is the port where we've been yesterday, where the fishermen are. Today we're going to go to a different fisherman market, the ones that they say is even more authentic and even cheaper than the one over there in the port. We're going to find out if that is true.
Yes.
We're going to find out if that market actually exists and how cheap it is and how different it is. It's supposed to be cleaner and more organized.
Okay.
Okay, so
that would be nice.
Yes. So here's one panoramic look of the beach.
It's really nice, really relaxing.
Very.
And today is a nice day.
Today is a beautiful day.
Yes.
Okay guys, and hopefully we'll be able to find the other fisherman market, and
we will show it.
And we will show it to you. So we'll see you later.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is our last day in ESSAOUIRA. Another name of the city, the original name was Mogador, and now it's called ESSAOUIRA. So many restaurants and businesses here are called Restaurant Mogador, Shop Mogador, different kind of Mogador. That was the original name, and now it's called ESSAOUIRA. So today we're going to eat fish again, and we'll show you this time the way into the fish market. So if you come here and you want to find it, it should be fairly simple for you. And a little walk around, and then we're going back to Marrakesh and back to Tangier on the same day. We have a flight from Marrakesh to Tangier, so tomorrow we have an early bus to Marrakesh and then a flight from Marrakesh to Tangier. and we'll see you again at the airport, I believe. And before that, we'll show you different things around this town one more time before we leave. And thank you for joining us. So here's a little last look, and we'll see you later.